Hey everyone, this is Jay Doty with the Oldfather group of Compass Real Estate. We're out here today, right on the Atlantic Ocean, about to take a tour inside of an ocean block condo off of Assawoman Drive in North Ocean City. Let's take a look inside. Upon entering this unit, one thing you'll notice is the unique amount of space it offers. The open floor plan offers plenty of options for setting up a living space. Multiple double windows letting lots of natural light, highlighting the great coastal feel of this particular condo. The primary bedroom features waterproof luxury vinyl plank and custom roller plantation style blinds. The custom ensuite bathroom has subway tile, crown molding, copper fixtures, and a copper clawfoot tub. The sliding glass door opens up to a composite deck balcony with a gorgeous ocean view located a few feet from the beach. This unit also features a second spacious bedroom and an additional full bath. This building has a shared large picnic table, fire pit, and grill that is great for entertaining outdoors. Thanks for taking this tour with me today. For more information on this property, you can reach me at jay@theoldfathergroup.com.